Hello there, my name is Macintosh Prime, and I return for another review right there. Hi, today will be a new special review for Christmas special, and today we go review a My Little Pony the movie, all about Big Mac figure. I bought this local toy kingdom today, so bought this Christmas gift for me, for my mother. So yeah, let's take a look at the package, shall we? It says My Little Pony the movie. You see Big Mac beside this figure, and at the back here it shows sweet apple anchors, the background right here. There's a barn right here, and here's Big Macintosh right there. It's really hard, quite so anyway, so let's rip this package and see what we do have. And there you go. Here's the figure out package. So here's Big Mac. So let's take a look what these look like. Well, he's based much more a stallion. You see there, the hairstyle much like a rock star to me. The nylon hair, the hair much soft. The color of the hair is orange. There. The color eye will be green. So, well, body much harder thick. The Q mark of Big Macintosh is green color. Pretty good. If you look other side, here's Big Macintosh in the picture. Pretty magnificent. So possibility was very limited. Can his head turn all around like so? Yup. Well, let's take a look at this. He comes with a comb. Every figure has a comb. Can brush here, tail or whatsoever. Remove this one. Can do like this. There we go. So like that. So overall, pretty nice figure. So thanks for watching. I hope you might a Christmas special toy review today. Until then, thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.